Hello, welcome. Let's have a look at this question, which is 11B of General Mathematics 2025 for Liberia. The sum of a positive rational number and 3 times its reciprocal is 7 on 2. We have to find that word, number. So we know rational numbers can be a whole number, it can also be a fraction. So we assuming the number to be a fraction at once is going to make use of two variables, and we don't have enough information to work with the two variables. So let's use one, which is a whole number. So let's say we let x be the what? The number, and its reciprocal is going to be, this is rational because it have 1 as its word denominator. So when that go up, you are left with what? 1 on x. All right, so they are saying that the sum, meaning the addition, this implies that x plus 3 times the reciprocal, which is 1 on x, should be giving us what? 7 on 2. This is what the statement is saying. The sum of the positive rational number, which is this, and 3 times its reciprocal give you a result of what? This. So there are two ways we can do this. We are having denominators of x and 2. So we can multiply through by that LCM. Let's say multiply by 2 and x. So when 2x multiply here, it give you 2x squared, then plus 2x multiply here, the x will cancel, 2 times this will be what? Will give you 6 equals to 2 will cancel, x will multiply, that will give you what? 7x. You can see from here we can easily get 2x squared. This is coming in as minus 7x plus 6, leaving what? 0. Writing it in the form ax squared bx plus c equals 0 as a quadratic equation. We can easily solve that. Remember the short method that we normally use when we are solving a question that arrive at what? A quadratic equation. I'm not going through all the processes. I only need to know that 2 times 6 will give me 12. So I need factors of 12. When I add, I will get the negative 7. But when I multiply, I get a positive answer, meaning they will all have to be what? Negative. So there will be negative 4, negative 3. By multiplication, I get a 12. By addition, I get a minus 7. So we only open 2 brackets equals to 0. First factor is 3. Second factor is this. That is what we do. But because we use the 2 in front of the x squared to multiply, we now divide that by what? 2. This is a multiplication equals 0, meaning x minus 3 on 2 is 0, or x minus 2 is what? 0. Remember this will give you 2. So when you transpose, x will be equals to, let's say, 3 on 2, or x will be equals to what? 2. The question is asking for one number, just a number. That's presumed that it will be one number. So let's check and see whether if one of them will be disqualified. So let's say we have a check. If x is this, meaning 3 on 2 plus 3 times the reciprocal of this, which is going to be 2 on 3. Let's see if the result will be what you're looking for. This will cancel this. So I should be left with 3 on 2 plus what? 2. That 2 will also be 4 on 2 if I'm to write it that way. Having the same denominator means that I still have 7 on 2, meaning our answer could be 3 on 2. And this is the first instance. The second instance is if I have 2 plus 3 times the reciprocal. Remember, reciprocal will be giving me 2 plus 3 on 2. You come back to the same thing. And that will also give you 7 on what? 2. So that means we cannot go for one answer as the question suggests. Maybe you can be able to find a way by which we can eliminate one. So we can say that, therefore, the number, let me just say number, is 2 or 3 on 2. Maybe if I use or, that will presume that I have the number. If I say the numbers are, then I think I can use the two of them. But I think the beauty of it is you understood from the beginning to where we arrive at the answer. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back to question 12.